Today I'm going to make a super powerful tea that destroys abdominal fat very easily and using a medicinal plant that many people like. Tell me if you like bay leaves and if you use them in teas or as seasoning in beans, pasta, meat, and other dishes. The bay leaf is a medicinal plant well known in gastronomy for its characteristic flavor and aroma, and its tea is a great alternative to take advantage of all the benefits of bay leaves and to help you lose up to 1 kilo of fat per day. This recipe is valuable for those seeking to lose weight fast. If you take it in place of coffee, you can eliminate up to 1 pound of fat per day. See how this recipe that will destroy your belly fat works. This tea is attracting attention and the looks of many. The ingredients in this recipe are extremely powerful in slimming, and if you want to know how to do the step-by-step of this slimming tea, just watch the video until the end. You must be asking yourself, what is the secret of this slimming tea? Well, it simply eliminates fluid retention, helps the body to lose weight very quickly, and promotes an intense detoxification of the liver and other organs, such as the kidneys and intestines, thus making you lose weight very fast. Lemon is very valuable and effective for losing weight fast and detoxifying the body. Guys, if you are new around here, comment the city that you are watching us and I will take the opportunity and pass on a message that is in Matthew 6:33. Seek ye first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. This text says that basically it is to put your trust totally in the Lord's hands and to seek him as more important. This should be the aim of the one who loves and trusts the Lord. He will see to it that the things we need will be added. Laurel has an incredible high value in detoxification, de-inflammation and cleansing of various organs, and according to many nutritionists, these two ingredients are a perfect combination, and that's why you lose weight quickly by using this recipe. This natural recipe also has many benefits for your health. Check out some of these benefits now. Our tea is diuretic and helps eliminate fluid tension in the body, has anti-inflammatory properties, easily relieves constipation, acts as a blood purifier, reduces fever and strengthens immunity, helps control blood sugar, being indicated for diabetes, and helps prevent blood clots, avoiding strokes. It reduces blood pressure, aids in the healing of respiratory disorders. It is excellent for helping in the treatment of rheumatism. It is a goldmine for weight loss. Besides of course being a treasure for tummy, it also treats throat infections and relieves various digestive problems. Now let's learn how to make this highly slimming tea step by step. Ingredients: 500 ml of water, 6 bay leaves and the juice of a lemon with the pumice. How to prepare this tea to lose belly fat: put in a pot 500 ml of water with the 6 bay leaves and the juice of a lemon squeezed together with the pumice. Now take it to the fire and boil for 5 minutes. Now pay close attention, this tea has to be prepared at night and kept in the fridge all night. When you wake up the next day, it will be the first thing you drink on an empty stomach. The ideal is to drink it unsweetened, but if you find it necessary, use honey or brown sugar to sweeten it. And if you like natural recipes and homemade tips to take even more care of your health, just follow our videos every day here. A hug and stay with God.